Welcome to my channel Techno Trend Zone. The DJI Mavic 4 is a series of foldable drones designed for aerial photography and videography. It represents the pinnacle of DJI's consumer drone technology, offering cutting-edge features and performance. The series typically includes several models, each catering to different needs and budgets. Key features often include advanced camera systems with high-resolution sensors and versatile lenses, powerful flight capabilities with long flight times and obstacle avoidance systems, and intuitive controls for ease of use. Bold and innovative design. The leaked image reveals a striking departure from previous Mavic models. The most prominent feature is the bulb-shaped triple camera setup housed within a sleek, spherical gimbal. This unique design not only enhances the drone's aesthetic appeal, but also suggests significant advancements in camera stabilization and maneuverability. Multi-camera system. The primary camera is believed to be a 24mm equivalent lens, offering a versatile focal length for a wide range of shooting scenarios. Two additional cameras are positioned beneath the primary lens, hinting at a sophisticated multi-camera system similar to the Mavic 3 Pro's cine and wide cameras. This configuration could enable advanced features such as lossless zoom, enhanced depth perception, and improved image quality in various lighting conditions. Smooth gimbal movement. The spherical gimbal design promises smoother and more precise camera movements, allowing for more creative and cinematic shots. This is crucial for capturing professional-level footage, such as aerial panoramas, dynamic tracking shots, and smooth cinematic transitions. Performance and features. Enhanced flight time. The Mavic 4 is rumored to be equipped with a 95.3 Wh battery, a significant increase over previous models. This larger battery capacity translates to extended flight times, allowing users to capture more footage and explore larger areas without frequent battery swaps. Pro-level features. The leaked information suggests that the Mavic 4 will incorporate several features typically found in high-end, enterprise-grade drones. RTK positioning. This technology provides highly accurate positioning data, enabling precise flight paths and stable hovering, crucial for applications like aerial surveying and inspections. Built-in ND filters. These filters help to reduce the amount of light entering the camera, allowing for better control of exposure in bright conditions and smoother transitions between different lighting environments. Enhanced gimbal range. The gimbal's ability to tilt from -90 degrees to +80 degrees offers greater flexibility in capturing low-angle shots and overhead perspectives. Dual controller support. This feature enhances operational efficiency and allows for more complex flight maneuvers, particularly in demanding scenarios. Impact and implications. Bridging the gap. The Mavic 4's combination of professional-grade features and a user-friendly design has the potential to bridge the gap between casual drone enthusiasts and professional aerial cinematographers. It offers a compelling option for both hobbyists seeking to elevate their aerial photography and filmmakers looking for a compact and versatile drone for professional productions. Market disruption. The Mavic 4's innovative design and advanced features could significantly disrupt the drone market, setting a new benchmark for consumer drones. Its potential to deliver cinematic quality footage with professional-level precision could make it a highly sought-after tool for filmmakers, content creators, and businesses alike. Release and availability. Potential release window. Based on recent FCC filings and DJI's typical Q1 launch schedule, the Mavic 4 is expected to be released within the next few months. Market expectations. The Mavic 4 is generating significant buzz and anticipation within the drone community. Its unique design, advanced features, and potential to revolutionize aerial filmmaking make it one of the most anticipated drone releases in recent years. Conclusion. The leaked information about the DJI Mavic 4 points to a significant leap forward in drone technology. Its innovative design, powerful features, and potential to cater to both casual and professional users make it a highly promising addition to the drone market. While the official release date and pricing are yet to be confirmed, the Mavic 4 is undoubtedly poised to shake things up and redefine the possibilities of aerial photography and videography.